This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the Seahorse candy wrap. So I'm going to start with the base of this design, and I'm going to fold all the score lines. Okay, so that's ready. I'm going to bring in the pieces that make up my belly band. And then we've got the pearl for the center. And you can stamp or print whatever you want to say on that. Now each one of these candy wraps, there's one, yeah, has the option of the eye with the lashes or a regular eye, okay? I have chosen to do the eye with the lashes. That one's my favorite. There we are. And then put on this little fin. And now we're just going to line this up here with that. And it looks like right here on this fin, this one does hang over the edge a little. So you want to make sure not to put glue all the way to the edge of that fin, or whatever this is called. Okay. I really feel like the body of this seahorse should have been a much lighter color. It's too dark. Now for your belly band, you want to put this on. You don't want to make it too tight. So I wasn't pushing it real tight against the edge when I folded my folds there. And I'm just putting a bit of glue at the top and bottom. And I can slide this off and apply some pressure. Get this stuck down good. And there we are. There is the Seahorse candy wrap. Thank you for joining me.